I read this tweet on Twitter which said that staying home makes me look more homeless than ever. Which I agree. Everyone who thinks that the lockdown is going to get over on 3rd of May, I'm so sorry, it's not. By this point, I think everyone knows that it's not going to get over by May. But all my friends have their birthdays in May. And I feel sad and also good now that I recollected that I don't have to give gifts to them. But then I'll feel uncomfortable because I didn't give them any gifts. So after the lockdown, I still have to buy gifts and give them gifts. But I also feel bad that they never got to celebrate in school. But I got to celebrate in school. And I always had the thunder unless and until Bijal Shah came in my class. And we had to share our birthday. So we had to divide the thunder, which I really hated. I just wanted to be that one girl to have a birthday, that one important day in my school. Everyone could give you that attention, but that girl, so we had to split it up. Just another story of me asking for attention. Okay, do you all consider an online personality as your friend? For example, if you are watching me, do you consider me as your friend? If you watch some other YouTuber, do you think that you are their friend? I haven't thought about this. Do I consider friends? Kind of yes, kind of no. Friends are friends. Maybe I'm not making any sense. If people say no, then I'll feel bad because they don't consider me as their friend. Shit, I'm such a senti bitch. My eyes really look puffy. If your eyes don't look puffy, that means you're not doing the quarantine properly. You're supposed to have dark circles at this time. You're supposed to not have a good sleep schedule. You need to fuck up. Like me, sleep at 3, 4, wake up at 11, 10, have 4 hours sleep, someday 6 hours sleep. Then again rant about your sleep schedule, to relate with your friend. This is the time to have puffy eyes. So do I want me to like apply makeup and then hide it? No. Cannot do so much efforts. If I start doing so much efforts, I won't be the da I am. I am very much careless about whatever happens to my skin. Every girl almost has a skin routine. Sometimes I feel even I should have, but then I don't like researching stuff. I want someone to spoon feed me what cream to use or how to apply. I am trying ways to entertain my own self in this quarantine. Stop with the word quarantine. We're done with the word. It's so boring to repeat the same word now. Quarantine, quarantine, quarantine. My god, look at this. This is so nice. 2 days back, I genuinely missed my friends and I missed going out with them. So what I did is went and saw my old vlogs and then I missed them more. Basically miss hanging out at McDonald's, to be very honest. And we were discussing that how many times have we been to McDonald's. Let's go and watch the previous vlogs. Every alternate vlog has McDonald's in it. I say that I don't like McDonald's, but now I think I really like hanging out at McDonald's. It's like our spot, hanging out at McDonald's. McDonald's should already sponsor me. Not for me or for my friends, how obsessed we are with the brand. Wow, my god. Look at Panu and her collection. Yay! My god. Panu, how many do you have in total? 5! सगळे घेऊन येते? सगळे घेऊन ये लवकर. See, that is how good I am manipulating kids. Ooh. I do not get this energy when I'm shooting, but I was just worried whether I'll be able to upload a vlog this week or not. The next collection from Panu is this one. Oh my god, Pummy Auntie is back, guys. Guys, are you all drinking enough water? I look like a... I was going to say something, but the kid is holding my camera, so I don't want to... I look like a person who's on... Shh. 1 minute, I'm vlogging. I've been on TV, okay? Back to the topic. I do remember my topic. Are you guys drinking enough water? Because drink, just drink. I don't know the scientific reason one needs to drink enough water for no pimples. And to what?
Sorry.
To surpass. Surpass your hunger. So what is the best solution right now? How's like this? I told you to shoot like this. What are you doing? I'm not going to pay you if you don't hold it properly.
I don't.
What? I don't? What do you mean by
like
I don't?
This.
Yeah, I make kids do the work for me. But I do not support child labor, okay? You girly, get down.
No.
Get down.
Okay.
Good girl. Who is good girl, guys? Me or Tia?
Me.
Me?
Yeah, too good. Nine.
Why are you screaming?
What happened?
What happened? Chalo, ready? We'll play a game of raise your hands. Wait. 1, 2, 3, raise your hands. Again. 1. Look how smart she is. She's running away from me, huh? That's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to gently hit the like button, share and subscribe. And let's comment some mean things on my recent Instagram pictures and confuse other Instagram people who don't watch my vlogs. Please do that.
The only one that makes the dark turn to light, and I can't go back to what we had. Forever tonight, what's the difference? As long as we feel like we're living.
But this is such a cool glare shades basically. I'm skipping words now.